Go to the dollar store and get 8 of these mini trays. You're also going to need 4 of these little mini crates and start painting these. Glue one of these sides that has one of the holes, glue it to the back end of one of these pieces, and now we're going to go and create a U shape, and we're going to go and press this together. Construct the next one, glue everything together, wait for that to dry. After those are connected, put some glue onto the top, and now we're going to go and put these little tiny mini crates that have the slats on the sides and let everything dry. And now we can go and put this into our kitchen and figure out where we're going to put everything. And this is what it looks like, and this is going to save you some space in your kitchen.
So we're going to start with 12 of these really cute little crates from Dollar Tree. First, going to glue them together. So we are going to be using some wood stain. We are going to stain this as well. So we're going to put this into a formation. And what we're going to do is we're going to flip it over and we are going to put it on the center of our Lazy Susan. So we're going to go ahead and load this up. And here's the finished product. I'm really loving this DIY Dollar Tree craft room organizer. To start this project, we're gonna need 3 of these cute little craft storage bins. I'm gonna use a pencil. And we're gonna line it up, let that bond for a second. So we're going to secure the other side with the glue, and then we're gonna go back in with our staple gun to make sure it's reinforced. So now that that's been reinforced, we're essentially gonna do the same thing with another one. We're gonna do the same thing for the third one. It's just gonna sit up a little bit higher. All right, so now that this has been secured, what we're gonna do is we're going to use some stain. And here's the finished product. I'm so happy with how it turned out. It works as perfect additional counter space.